So Kia just released a navigation update along with some minor enhancements from what I read on Android Auto. So to get the update, I just went to my computer, I typed in Kia navigation update, took me to the screen. You do have to download this app called Navigation Updater download, and I clicked it right there. Once downloaded, I typed in my car information and started downloading the software update, and then it was done. I used a SanDisk 64 gig SD card, 3.1 USB. But the update is downloaded. Let's get it installed on the car. I am going to plug this in, this little USB port. Oh wait, I gotta turn my car on. So my car's plugged in right now. I thought I read that you want to have your car plugged in when you do this, so turn that on. Unplug vehicle to start. So I'm a little confused about this. So I'll tap that in. It'll just say reading USB. Not really sure what the difference is between update now and update background update. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose update now because I'm not going anywhere for a while. And it says it'll be about 25 minutes and the system will be unavailable. So when I do that, I think I'm confused. Should I leave the car plugged in or should I take it off? But let's see what it does, because I do not want this thing to kill my 12-volt battery. So now it says battery discharge warning. So that means it's using my 12 volts. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and unplug my car, but now I can't, because I can't turn the car off to unplug it. So that shows me that it is using my 12-volt battery. Okay, so I just went and unplugged my car. Let's try this again. Hopefully that didn't mess something up. Okay, so it looks like it's just doing it now. And it says ready to drive. So I think we're good. As an additional note, I just started it. It is 8:55 in the morning right now. So we're about 2 minutes in. So we'll see how long this takes. I'm going to just leave my keys in here and leave. Get out of the car, I guess. 7-minute check. Let's see where we are. That's just 1 of 5. So this might be a while. Okay, so 1 hour check. We're at the 1 hour mark and it just says updating. All right, hour and a half check-in. Where are we at? Oh, it looks like it's done. Let's dig in. So I clicked on details and now it's giving me some of the things that they updated. When searching for a destination, you can check and select the route you want. Cost effective, prefer freeway, all that. If you press the more routes button on the route overview screen, all routes are displayed. Improved voice recognition screen. When voice recognition is activated while using the map, the voice recognition information is displayed on a split screen, which is separate from the map screen. Sad part about this is I don't really use the factory maps, but maybe I'll give it a shot. So let's see. Improved radio, not audio. Station logos have been added to radio screen. Now you can identify the station just by looking at the logo. Add presets by the add station button. View all available AM, FM. I also don't use AM, FM or Sirius, so not relevant to me, but probably useful for a lot of people. And that looks like it's it. It doesn't mention anything about widescreen Android Auto, because I know that's been something that people have talked about. So let's see if that works. I am going to unplug my USB port and then plug in my Moto MA1 and see when my Android Auto pops up. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what happens. I don't see Android Auto as widescreen, so I'm not sure what people were talking about. I might have to do a little bit of research. Okay, so I figured out the widescreen thing on Android Auto. So basically you have to disconnect your phone. So I'm going to take that off. You go into setup, type in split screen, and then here with the options you'll see use split screen on Android Auto. Click that, and I had this clicked, so I unclicked it. Obviously you want to enable it, And then you can do the same thing here. I don't have split screen on there on CarPlay. I go back and I'm going to plug my MA1 back in, and it'll take probably about 20 or 30 seconds to hook back up. Now that Android Auto is done, let's click it. And that's awesome. So now over here on the right side, traditionally we had the phone giving you information, sorry, the car giving you information such as battery life and weather and stuff like that, but there was no way to see your audio on this side while using maps. So with this update, now that is possible. I think I tried YouTube Music and I tried Spotify, and they both kind of swap. So if I click on that, it'll actually swap the map over there to be a little bit bigger, but otherwise we can go in here and try other apps. That's probably the only thing that I'll probably benefit from this update. I don't use the stock navigation, and I also have never honestly used FM radio, XM, or satellite, or Sirius, or any of that. That being said, I'm done with this video. Just wanted to give everybody kind of quick a heads up on how to do this update and what the experience was like. I'm going to keep this little memory stick, and it's going to stay in my glove box because it will come in handy when the next update comes through. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions or anything, please leave them in the comments, and make sure you like the video if it helps you. Thanks, and have a good one, everybody.